Great day, great day. Trader Reg here again. It's June 30th, giving you a quick little review of the market. Been pretty busy this week. Not only posted a couple of videos of the market. Got a short week tomorrow. We're closing at 2 tomorrow, and we are closed on Monday, obviously for Independence Day. So the whole goal of being in the market is actually be independent financially. So let's go do this. Again, everything we talk about here is educational purposes only. And I do not give investment advice. Please seek a qualified investment advisor. All right, let's hit it. Let's hit it. Let's hit it. Let's hit it. All right. So a couple things we got going on here. This is your SPY, or you can do SPX. Okay. That is your actual S&P 500. All right. Now, this is basically your main indicator of what the market is and what the market is doing. Okay. So a couple of things that I saw here that's going on right now. Okay. We talked about it in the past about the market and how it operates. I was looking to get back to the 20-day moving average, maybe get above it and maybe get into this gap. Got a little bit above it and failed a couple of days ago. Okay, this is what they call it's a mini version of an island reversal. I like to see the gaps, little gaps in between this candle. That's why they call it an island reversal. But really, I take this candle and I will combine it. And when I do that, this red body will engulf this green body. So that will be what I will call a bearish engulfing pattern. Okay. Engulfing patterns, I have experienced as one of the most powerful patterns in candlesticks. Okay, bullish or bearish. Okay, bullish is the opposite direction from, and it comes in a downtrend. A bearish candlestick pattern comes in an uptrend, and that is when a bearish body will engulf the whole body of a green body or bullish body. Okay. But in any sense, it means lower numbers, okay? And we can see we were lower. We went down yesterday and we went down today. Now we have this interesting doji here. Now this doji, and I'm gonna bring up the SPY so I can see the volume here. So the volume, we had a nice size volume spike today compared to the last 3 days. Okay, so that tells me that the sellers are coming back alive because the bulls had a chance. Now, this was also the end of the quarter, so I believe that this number is a little skewed. It's the end. It's 6 months. The first was the worst 50 half of S&P in 50 years, whatever. So I believe there's more selling coming, but I think it's going to be next week. I think tomorrow they might try to blow this thing up a little bit, play around up and down, and then come next week, we continue to go and take out this low of 362. I want to see what type of volume you have, but I'm seeing clear bearishness. Nothing, we're not out of this storm yet. The fact that we felt at this 20 is beautiful when it comes to charting, because it's like textbook. Boom, boom, boom. We look to play it off the 20, fail. Now, this doji is indecision, okay? The doji is lower. This doji could mean we would have to get confirmation to the upside tomorrow. But again, this doji comes into this area of what they will call support, okay? This whole area here is support. Now, because of that, we need to get through this area if we're going to go lower, if we're going to be confident to go a lot lower. I believe this area here is weak, is with weak buyers. That's why you had very light buying coming in. We didn't get that spike in buying. We had it on this candle here, a little bit of a spike, but not enough that I thought would provoke the seller to come in. But when I take a combination of the volume on these two candles here, that tells me that there's no buyers left in this market. They could not get it back above a 20, and that's why we fail over the last couple of days. All right. One thing that I do see, my ADX indicator, don't talk much about it, is trending at 25. I do want to see that turn up and gain some strength. When that turns up and starts gaining strength, then we know that we are back into our downward movement. All right. So at this point, I see more bears action. If you are a beginning investor, take it easy. Take it easy. Again, maybe look into some options. If you need some private one-on-ones, stuff like that, education, we can handle that for you. You can email me at support@covenantseed, SEED, education.com, or we do have a Discord but it's more geared towards while we trading during the day, things like that. But the classes and things like that are outside of that. You can see here, one last thing, that this is a very tight area of buying and selling, okay? When it get this 362 low, you can see that there was a change of what they call a change of polarity right here. That means a lot of buyers held up in here, then they sold off down here, then it got back into that area again. So today it broke that area again. And that's why I believe, well, another reason why I believe this thing was going lower, because it could not hold this area. So I just see lower numbers. Let's look at the other people's favorite market, the tech market. People love the Apples, they love their Googles, they love your Amazons. Again, same scenario pretty much happened over here. This is more of combination, again, combination candle, boom, by combining these two. I am engulfing this candle, possibly this candle. No, just this candle. And then you can see off the 20, boom, boom, boom. This thing is starting another trend. And if I blow this up, let's go to a year. Let's see how textbook this trend is. If I draw it up, we are almost identical. Tops coming down. This is actually pretty beautiful. So this was like a range that it was in. It goes up, goes down. You can see it if I draw this up, where it comes in, comes down, top, back to the bottom, back to the top, back to the bottom. That'll take us back down into the 250s on the Qs. So this is just some things to look at. Again, S&P on a weekly chart, our target 350, okay? Still got the 350 target on. I believe we can get there. That's me personally, all right? Again, I'm not giving investment advice. I'm just telling you my target, all right? 350 in the future, coming soon to your doorway. Don't worry about the, if you have a retirement account, don't panic, please. There is ways to protect it with what they call put options, okay? You can look into them. You can buy some put options to protect some of your money, make some money to the downside, take it, invest it long-term. That's just a strategy that people do. Or you put your money in cash, but at this point, the market's down again, worst first half in 50 years, your portfolio is probably down pretty good. But one thing about stocks, they always bounce back eventually. It may take years, it may take 6 months, but they do come back. So don't panic. Same thing with crypto. Don't panic. It's the long-term end game. Let's keep that in fact. Okay. I know some people might need the money right now. I get it. I understand it. Believe me, I know. I've been there, done it. But we have to be patient. We have to be patient. Got another video coming on due diligence and communication. I did one on patience, probably do a part 2. Got to get more time to put those videos out, but it's coming to you. If you want to protect your wealth, if taxes, things like that, you want to protect your children, you want to protect your estate, do help people with trust, help people getting trust set up. That's something on the side, where we just give people an option to save their money, put more money back in your pocket, put money back into your family, each and every day. Show you how to save money in your paycheck, whole 9 yards. Save some money, let's go. If you need help with the trust, again, email me support at covenantseededucation.com. Just put in the subject trust, and that you're interested in learning more about a trust. And this is a very good trust. Okay, I have my house and everything else in the trust. So just know that we have things for you that can help you. So again, looking to help people. If you need help, if you're interested in trading, if you haven't done this before, it's a fun thing to learn, fun game to learn what all these candlesticks say, these moving average. It's fun, okay? I'm not gonna say you're gonna just come in and make all this money and blah, blah. No, this is not a quick, rich scheme that be going on, but you can make a lot of money overnight too. I'm not gonna say you won't. I'm just saying that you have to put the effort, just like anything else. You put the effort into it and it will pay off later. All right. Everybody have a great day. I'll be back for a weekend review, and we'll go from there. Everybody have a great one. If I don't hear from you or see you, have a great weekend. Enjoy. Thank you.